Do you have a leaky or damaged roof? Don't wait to get it taken care of. The longer you wait, the greater potential for more damage. More damage means more money out of your pocket for repairs. Call Mineola Roofing Pros. We are here to help. We will have one of our roofers at your house in no time. We will perform a free roof inspection and provide you with a no-obligation estimate for your roof repair. Call us today. We provide 24-hour emergency roof repairs. Call us today.